Hello, everyone! In this video, I will guide you through the process of installing the Employee Self-Service ESS app in your self-hosted ERPNext instance. First of all, you need to log into your self-hosted server and navigate to your bench directory. I've already logged into one of my self-hosted servers, and I'm in the bench directory. Next, we'll run a bench command to get the app. The command is bench get app, followed by the GitHub URL for the Employee Self-Service app. You also need to specify the branch name. I am using version 15, but you can specify version 14, 13, or whichever version you are using. Since I already have the app, I will overwrite it. The app is now cloning, and it will be available in our apps directory. Now we'll install the app on one of our sites. I have a site called ERP15.nescale.com, so I'll use the command bench install app employees self-service. The installation process will start, and the custom fields for the app will be added. And yes, the app has been installed correctly. We can now log in to ERPNext to verify the installation.